Welcome to MoFitMeals. I'm going to show you something that I've been doing daily. It's a huge, high protein pancake. I'm always doing some sort of research to find an alternative for flour. I've been using it, and don't get mad at me because you probably won't have it in your pantry, but it's easy to get. I get it at Amazon. This is probably my third batch, and I tested it and I love it, and I think you'll love it too. What it is, it's OatFiber. It's high in fiber, 0 calories, 0 net carbs, and it measures out equivalent to a traditional flour. So we're gonna use this buff bake. It's my protein powder I use whenever I want to make something high in protein, and you'll love it. Please try it. Also found on Amazon. Ground cinnamon, baking powder, sea salt, sweetener you have of choice, go for it, use it. I love pure. There's 60 grams of liquid egg whites. I'm going to use some maple extract. I found a vanilla bean paste actually delicious. I'm using it in place of vanilla extract. Give this a try. I love how it leaves a little vanilla bits, and it's more intense too. It's delicious. And finally, use your favorite sugar-free syrup. I'm using Waldens pancake syrup. It's one of my favorites. So here's my batter, put it in my pan. I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm gonna set it for 20 minutes, check on it, and then you'll see it rise, and I'll show you how it looks in between. Here we go. Here it is, hot, poofy. Look, is he huge or what? It's a delicious, hot, piping, delicious pancake. Now I'm gonna top this off with my Waldens syrup, and I'm gonna be like ready to mow this whole thing. I hope that you guys try OatFiber. It really did wonders. Look how big this is. OatFiber is in place of regular flour, and the carbs are crazy. You guys give this a try. It's so good. You won't miss the flour. It's fluffy, low in carbs, high in protein, and absolutely delicious. Who doesn't like pancakes any time of the day? I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, and remember, stay MoFit.